Today's video, we're going to take a look at a subscription box we've not looked at before on the channel and tell you about some changes they've made and why I'm looking at this one now. I'm talking about the Crate Club box. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So the folks at Crate Club contacted me and asked me if I'd be interested in taking a look at their subscription box. And at first I was a little hesitant just because there's so many subscription boxes out there and how do you pick which one. But I found out that they're actually working with the folks at BattleBox because over the last couple of years or so, they said maybe the folks at Crate Club, they weren't really satisfied with the service they were providing. Maybe they didn't think they'd done as good a job as they wanted to do for their subscribers. So they reached out to the folks at BattleBox for some help, and I think they've kind of redesigned things a little bit. And they are a quarterly box, not a monthly box. So, and they're kind of geared towards more tactical type stuff. And so I thought, you know what? Let's check them out. The BattleBox is more like outdoor oriented, and these are more crate oriented. They're not, I mean, more tactical oriented. They're not trying to compete with BattleBox. They're really a different market. And these boxes are, again, they're quarterly. They have two different levels, and they are hand chosen by, you know, ex-military special forces people, so Navy SEALs and special forces operators, just the people that really should have a lot of experience and know about tactical stuff and know what's good and what's not. So anyway, real quickly, the way it works is they have a captain box, which is $99 every quarter, and for that $99 you get about $200 worth of stuff. And then they have a general box, which is $399 every quarter, but for that $399 you get about $700 worth of stuff. So you decide which one you like the most, but this is the general box. So this is the $400 box, $400 a quarter. So we're going to check this one out. This was the July box. The next one won't be out until October. So hopefully this will give you an idea of what you might can expect and the type of value you can expect for your money. So anyway, let's get to it. We'll open this thing up now. Let's see what all's in here. And it comes with a little booklet here that tells you what's in it. And it's just got some pretty cool stuff in it. So first of all, there is the Crate Club hammock. And this is it's like a very nice hammock. Here's a picture of it. It's got a mosquito net and a bag, and it has ladder. I think they look like ladder straps. Let's see if these are ladder straps here. Yes, they are. They are ladder straps. So pretty nice hammock there. I like the fact, you know, I like hammocks, and I like the fact that it has a bug net on it. And I like the fact that maybe I can get it back in the bag here, but I'm not going to hang this thing up here in my old indoor studio. But so that's the Crate Club hammock, which I think is pretty cool. Set that aside. What next do we have here? We got something that's a really cool knife. I like this one. I've seen one of these before. It is a Gerber Ghost Strike knife. Really cool, rubberized handle. Very nice little, and you can carry this thing. It has like a Scout carry belt clip on it, ambidextrous, left or right hand, either way. That's what ambidextrous means, isn't it? You could also hang this as a neck knife around your neck and have a really nice, very sharp, very cool little knife here. So I'm digging that one a lot. That's the Gerber Ghost Strike. What's next? Let's see what we got here. Some pretty cool stuff in here. Wow. So we have an Olight PL Mini Valkyrie, PL Mini 2. So this is their pistol light. This is actually, I think, what's on one of my pistols upstairs next to the old bed. So I'm not going to open this up, but it's an Olight PL Mini 2, which is a clip-on pistol light. You can probably put this on a rifle too, but it's mostly designed for a pistol. Fits right on a Glock or a Picatinny rail pistol. So that's pretty cool there. And I think this thing's around 80, 90 bucks just for that. So that's not bad there. Then there's a special edition. What is this thing here? It is a, no, Danco Products D01 Dapper Wallet. Let's have a look at that bad boy. Okay, so it's one of those minimalist type wallets that basically has some silicone here. Lets you slide all your cards in there. You can slide your money in there. It's very, very minimalist wallet. It's a RFID blocking, built-in bottle opener, holds up to 12 cards, is anodized aluminum wallet frame, and made in the USA. So I think that's pretty cool. And it's got this little keychain, something there with it. I guess you can put that on here, a little lanyard if you want to loop it through there. I'm not gonna do that right now, but so that's the Dapper Danco wallet, pretty cool. Next we have a really neat Bastian. Is this what this is? Oh yeah, Bastian Braza custom knife. This is a really nice knife. Ooh, baby. You know I'm gonna like this one, right? It's a D2 steel, G10 handles, carbon fiber on the non-clip, carbon fiber inlay on the non-clip side. Let's see how this thing, oh yeah. Feels really good. It's a frame lock design, tip up pocket carry, very nice, and really smooth, really smooth. Perfect size and weight. It doesn't say if it has a ball bearings or not, but it's smooth and it's really hefty. And you know I like D2 steel. Really nice knife there. That's the Bastian Braza custom. But wait, there's more. There's a lot of stuff in this box. What's next? Okay, we got a little clean key made of copper alloy, and this is it's designed to just give you a way to open doors and stuff. You don't have to touch stuff, right? Over 60% copper, and it's got a way you can use the little end of it to punch keypads or to push buttons that you need to push, or elevator buttons or whatever. And then you've got this little gripper here that you can open doors with, whether it's a pull door or door handles or whatever. Just out in public, so you don't have to get everybody else's germs on your hands. So that's real popular these days. Remember that time Chuck Norris got beat up? Yeah, me neither. What is next? Next I'm saving what I think maybe is one of the best things for last. We have a really cool backpack here. Very nice backpack. Has a center zip with a molly loops all over it, hook, whatever, all kinds of stuff you want to. Pockets inside. A pass through here for a hydration bladder. A lift bag here. A nice padded waist belt on it. Ergonomic shoulder straps. It's got side pockets on here. Yeah, this is a really nice bag, and that's included. Let me move this. Just move this out of the way. I'm running out of room on the table. There's so much stuff in here. And then finally, last but certainly not least, we have a Leatherman Skelly tool, CK with a sheath. And let's see if I can get this thing out of here. Let's just use the old Ghost Strike. Man, that is sharp. Okay, it's not a knife review, but I like the Ghost Strike. I like it a lot. Let's see. We got here. Oh, look at that. Pretty nice. So it's a Skelly tool here with a fully non-serrated blade, because I know a lot of people don't like them serrations. And again, the reversible Phillips head there. Nice Leatherman pliers with a really, Leatherman quality for sure. And a carabiner / bottle opener. And this one comes with a removable pocket clip and a really nice belt sheath. And we'll put it in that way so we can get it out. With a nice little snap there. Pretty cool. Very, very nice. So that's the Leatherman Skelly tool. So that is what is in, or was in, the July general box. So pretty good bit of stuff here. Just again, as a reminder, you got the Skelly tool, the really nice Bastian knife, the clean key, avoid contaminated surfaces, the Olight PL Mini 2, the Made in the USA Special Edition wallet, the Gerber Ghost Strike, the mosquito hammock, which has got everything including your straps in it, and a really nice backpack. So that's the general for the Crate Club. There'll be a link in the video description if you want to check this out further. And just going to thanks the folks at Crate Club for sending me this so I can show it to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. If you want to support the channel financially, I invite you to go to patreon.com/survivalonpurpose. I really appreciate it. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival is not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.